Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yummy salmon. First, select fresh, high-quality salmon fillets, ideally about 1 inch thick for even cooking. Pat them completely dry with paper towels. This crucial step ensures a wonderfully crispy skin. Next, season both sides generously with a pinch of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and your preferred herbs like dill or parsley. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. Let's explore the top cooking methods for salmon. Pan-searing is fantastic for a crispy skin. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes per side over medium-high heat. Baking is another excellent option. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 12 to 15 minutes until flaky. For a smoky taste, grilling for about 4 to 6 minutes per side works wonders. Each method delivers a unique, delicious result. Achieving the perfect doneness is key to yummy salmon. The ideal internal temperature for cooked salmon is 145 degrees Fahrenheit. You can check this with a meat thermometer inserted into the thickest part. Alternatively, the flesh should flake easily with a fork when gently pressed. Remember, salmon continues to cook slightly after removal from heat, so aim for just under the target temperature to prevent overcooking and ensure a moist, tender result. Now for some delicious serving ideas to complete your salmon meal. A fresh lemon wedge is a classic accompaniment, adding a bright, zesty finish. Consider pairing your salmon with roasted asparagus, steamed green beans, or a vibrant mixed green salad for a balanced plate. For an extra touch, drizzle with a simple dill and yogurt sauce or a light vinaigrette. Enjoy your perfectly cooked, yummy salmon.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.